I'm going to show you how to change your IP address in Windows 10. First, go to Start, type Control Panel, and click to open it. Select Network and Internet, then click on Network and Sharing Center. Here, click on Change Adapter Settings. Now, right-click on your network connection and select Properties. Open the Properties of Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4. At the same time, go to Start, type CMD, and open Command Prompt. In the command prompt, type ipconfig and hit Enter. Now in the IPv4 Properties window, select the option to manually edit IP addresses. Enter the IP address, subnet mask, and default gateway as per your Windows IP configuration. Go back to command prompt, type 192.168.1.15 and check if it is working. If not, adjust these values and try to ping again. Once done, type Exit and hit Enter. Close all windows and you are good to go. That's how you change your IP address in Windows 10. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe.